to the trailhead. What's this trail called?
The Eloquent Trail.
The Eloquent Trail. Alright, so we're here in Crown King. Check out this little small town in the middle of nowhere. Where's the bar? Is it open? Oh shit. Here's the bar. So grab a drink.
You did see a lot of people back here?
Yeah, like back there was like a ton of like bottle of Glenlivets and like a bunch of other.
Charles.
Simon Weston?
Yeah.
Look at his little baby sock.
You're like a chick, dude.
Huh?
Right, like a chick.
Alright.
M-I-R-Z-A. You don't know how to spell my name? What?
Yeah.
Alright, somewhere around Crown King is the Algonquin Trail. And then, like you said, Fernandez, it leads to a beautiful waterfall.
That's correct.
Not a lot of people here. The water is supposed to be very green. What's the mileage on this hike?
It's said to be about 4.3 miles round trip.
Right now everything is downhill, but on our way back, we're gonna go all the way up to that hill. It's gonna be a very steep ascent. Fuck, I stepped in a cactus. And then you gotta go and get it back.
Big saltwater bath.
There's gonna be a bird on the way out.
Alright, so I know we were talking a lot, so it doesn't feel like a long time, right?
Right, not at all.
It feels like it was a pretty short hike downhill, but
Yeah.
there's the riverbed down here. All right, let's find this little hidden waterfall. Oh shit! Oh shit! Somebody want to give her your hand over there? Get whoa!
From millions of years ago.
What's the history lesson? Like 55 degrees.
No.
Moss down there?
That's moss? Yeah, I guess, huh? So this is maybe why it's called the Bloody Basin. Look at this. Looks to be a bunch of red moss and shit underneath. So it's very refreshing right now. It's windy. It's a hot day, but down here it's very refreshing. That ain't that deep. How was it? How's the water?
Refreshing.
It was refreshing?
Good way to break the ice for the big one.
Nice. Your
better.
balls didn't go up your ass?
Didn't freeze. I'm not a Kritorkian. That's what it's called when your balls go.
Really? Kritorkian? Man, I learned something new every day with you, Fernandez. Little Jimmy, bro. And these branches and shit. Ah! Oh, dude, that was so close. This is a nice spot. Whoever had a campfire out here, pretty sure it ain't legal, but it's a nice spot. Oh, that is so refreshing and cold. Beautiful.
Oh, nuts hurt.
Oh, is that cold? Yeah, I don't know then. if it's a nut quelcher, then I don't know. These rocks look hella fucking slippery though. Yeah, I know.
What size shoes you wear?
Like 11 and a half. All right, get ready for this leap of faith. That's gonna look a lot better on camera than it did. We've been going down this this creek, but we've mostly been able to stay out of the water. Now is the time that we're gonna have to get in the water, but it's very shallow, so we're not gonna get too wet. Just our shoes are gonna get wet, so doesn't look too bad. We are at the creek crossing.
Yeah, okay, now keep going up.
So we're just gonna walk through this.
Super shallow, brother. Yeah, look. I told you.
Looks like Melvin got stuck up there. Melvin, you stuck?
Yeah.
How'd you get up there? Jesus, man. All right, you want me to help you? I'm gonna catch you. Melvin's stuck. You wanna? Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, that's refreshing. That is really cold. My feet are getting numb already. Whew. Oh. There goes my Nikes. You guys didn't scream like I did, damn it. Oh, you guys got in up there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so you guys were more used to it.
Your feet still go from 0 to numb pretty fast.
Our shoes are wet. There's sand everywhere. Gonna make the leap of faith. Don't fall, Melvin. That was close. Oh shit. That's shock right there. Can we get down? All right, so right here at the waterfall. So Fernandez says that we can go up and around to get to the bottom of it. But this looks like a beautiful little swimming hole with a waterfall on this side right here. That's pretty awesome.
Oh, it is something. That was a raccoon.
Oh, put that stick away, dude. Is it a dead animal?
It's crazy. Did you see it? Did you freak his tail?
Shit, look at this little guy. Try to stay clear of him. Watch for this guy. Ooh, fucking thorns. Holy shit. Holy shit. Alright, so you gotta be prepared for a very steep descent down to this, and I mean very steep, down to this waterfall. Oh damn. You gotta turn it on me, Melvin.
Is it recording? I don't see anything.
It is. And you're recording your own self again.
You're lying.
I swear to God. Camera was pointing at you.
Yeah, I could use them now.
Very slippery.
Thank you so much.
All right, so after going all the way around, we are here at the falls. That's pretty beautiful.
I would. I mean, I would, but.
Oh shit. Oh, that is so fucking cold. Oh my God. Fuck that. I don't feel my shins. I think that's enough for me. I'm good. Got it on video. Oh, dude. Ugh. We're gonna thaw out now. Defrost after the freezing cold waters. We're like seals. Not a bad view.